What up, Moose? We got a project to work on. We need a cooking grate. Want to build one for the fire pit over there? There's Lulu. There goes Jasper. Here's the project. We got a nice cooking setup. Goes on that fire pit over there. We can hang a kettle from, hang our pots from. Hey, Moosey, do you mind? But I need a hanging one, so I think I'm gonna make one. It looks like that's everything I need right there, minus the Jackery, but I got a Epicool and a Jackery right now. When I need the power, I'll go in there and switch it around and bring it out here. But get this grill at Walmart. I think I gave 36 bucks for it. And we're gonna make it hanging. See, it's got legs on it. We don't need those legs. So we're gonna put some eye hooks, these, on the edges, and then here's our chain. Figure out what length chain we need, for both sides. Hook this to the eye hooks with the chain, and we have S hooks that goes with the outdoor kitchen setup, and it'll hang from there. Well, I gotta get busy. As you can see, I got a job to do. Shed the cardboard, first thing. Legs are off. How to get the eye bolt on. Okay. Legs are off. See these holes? We're gonna put these in it. 3 washers per hole because the threads don't go all the way up. But 3 washers per hole in the nut. And we'll soon have a hanging grate. Been installed. Check it out. Now we just got to figure out the length of the chain. But looking pretty good. I think it's gonna work. Oh yeah, before we put the chain on, we probably better put these on. So let's get busy. I think it's time for the chain now. Here's the chain I'm going to use. Figured out 8 per side. So I got to cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You helping, Moose? Moose is helping. Get down here. Got that side cut. Let's get it on. Are you thirsty, Jabber? I think this is gonna work. Now I just gotta cut a little length for straight up and down. And find me a couple S hooks, small S hooks to hook the upright chain to. We got plenty, and if we don't got plenty, I got 10 foot more. All right, I figured out the length of the chain for the length for it to hang. Do something a little different. Let it hang over the pipe, and I can adjust the height with the length until I come up with something better. But for now, that should work. Got these S hooks that I'm going to attach the chain to by bending them. I'm bending this one in a little more so it's got more to grab onto for locking for the height. Get this on. When a hanging cook great, go put it on the kitchen. There it is. That'll work. Then we'll come up with a pulley system. But we can kick on fire now. I think it looks pretty good. What do you think? Now we just need to be cooking something. And I'll probably add my other piece to it over there. In fact, I'm going to do that. Okay, there's everything. Of course, that's not all the cast iron. Not a bit. That one, it was Becky's mom's. We got these at a flea market. That was Becky's cousin's. Bought that at a flea market. That at a flea market. Hold on, let me look at the skillet though. Thought it was my grandma's. It's still in honey up there. But nope, that came from a flea market. And that was my aunt's. And I also have one of her skillets in there. But yeah, that's not a bad little setup. Well, there it is. We've made some changes. I'll show you. We don't have the long chain. Still learning the length yet that we really need. But we use S hooks now. I'm going to change this over to a bigger chain yet. Bigger loops to make it easier to get on and off for the height. Turned it over so hot dogs and stuff doesn't roll off. They get caught by the lip. But that's the changes we've made. Like I said, we're gonna put bigger chain for bigger loops. Makes it easier to adjust the height. But the thing works great. We love it.